What are you saying, people? Back for the bang. It's TWP here to bring you guys another video today. Today was definitely an interesting trading day, but we made money, and that's what the most important thing is at the end of the day. Now, the reason I say it was interesting is because there was a gap up overnight. I was in AMD calls. I thought, you know what? Don't need to trade today. Saw an opportunity with QQQ puts, took them, it played out, and then saw an opportunity with IWM calls all within about 10 or 15 minute period. Now, I'm gonna break down a couple of the plays, and then we can, have a look at those. But realistically, this market right now that we're living in, this market it's one of those markets that if you're not a sniper and if you don't have conviction, you're gonna get cooked. So the reason I say that is because I'm pulling up my screen right now and I'm gonna just show you pretty much, what happened with QQQ puts after QQQ gapped up overnight. Now let's see. This is also being recorded live time, so the markets are still on as we speak. But here's the example, right? QQQ gapped up overnight. We went from 584 to 591 open. We came down, tested the EMAs. Now, when you look at the hourly chart, you can see what's going on here. Long wicks. And I said, you know what? They're trying to push this QQQ thing back down. Now, you got the bearish engulfing, and guess what? QQQ started to sell off, okay? So I took the advantage of it, and I said to myself, QQQ looks like it wants to fall, but I was a bit late. And I'll show you why I was a bit late. Because
all I can say, CELH is
right here,
man.
Right here, listen. I said to myself, QQQ is up at 591. Yesterday we had a fake pump. Today is Wednesday, which, last few weeks they've been yanking it back. And I said to myself, you know what? When are we going to start falling? Now, I was actually a bit late with my puts because, as you guys probably saw, I wanted to enter, around here, the EMAs. But I said, let me wait for it to start, breaking. And once we started getting this candle, I said, you know what? I'm in. We started to bleed. I said, I'm in. We got a small retest and it sold off, right? The small retest is when I got in, and contracts only cost $292. Realistically, if I did catch the puts up here, I would have gone 0 DTE. There was a contract I was looking at for 0 DTE and it ended up going 164%. Now, anyway, I got 1 day to expiry, sold off, and here you see, when it's oversold and when it sells off that quickly, there's often a relief bounce. Now, with the relief bounce, obviously I sold, took profits, but then I moved over to IWM. Now, here's the important part. Someone mentioned that IWM, sold off heavily. I watched IWM and I saw, oh yeah, it came to my white line and it started to recover. Okay, this is where I said to myself, the scalp in me has to come out. Now, I got into IWM contracts, 251 calls, which expired today. So I went out the money, right? And it, like I said, wicked off my white line, bounced, tweezed the bottom. Well, not even. It just wicked off my white line and bounced. Now, like I said, before, mentioned on the channel, when there's a reaction to these, or an overreaction, or a crazy sell-off, we usually get a recovery. And that recovery bounce might be short-lived, which is why I did what I'm going to show you what I did. 251 calls for today only cost $97 each. If I can catch a bit of this move, at least up to the moving averages before we get rejected again, then I'll take profits. And now we broke the moving averages, and as we came down again, I said, I'm done here. But this three green candle combination here, or on a 15 chart, this pullback before a relief bounce, yeah, I said to myself, I can take advantage of that. I left with about 45%, and I'll just drop that on the screen as well. But yeah, long story short, when you see those things setting off, you can take profits if you're in puts. Now, when they do that small relief bounce, it's not the whole move, it's not the best move, but you can still catch some more both ways. So we traded both ways today, ate both ways, had a great day. That's it. And I'm going to go work on the RTA vlog from this weekend. That's all. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. 3 days are down. 2 green, 1 red so far. I'm pretty happy with that. It's been a good week though. It's been a good 5 days if you count it from last week. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. See you on the next video. Peace.